Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the East colors on your name badge. So let's say you want to put in your name. You can go to text box and you enter your name here. You can change the size or the font, or you can also insert word art and type in your name here. So let's say I'm making this badge for myself. I could type Mrs. Field. With word art, you can still change the fonts. So let's say I want to use, because it did say the requirement said you have to use the East fonts. And so that would be ASAP condensed. But then you can make that bold or not bold or italics if you wanted to. And you can change the size. One requirement is that your name is very visible. So your name should be the largest thing on your name badge. So I'm going to make that bold. Okay, so now we need to add in some of our East colors. And to do that, we need the hex code from the color you want to use. So to do that, you go to the East Initiative website, go to the Brand Center, and scroll down until you see the colors. Okay. So I want to use one of these primary colors here. And so what I need to do is copy the hex code. So I'm going to copy that, either do a menu and hit copy or hit your Command C on your keyboard. Now I've copied the hex code. Now I'm going to go back into my name badge, and I want the inside of my name to be that blue color. So I'm going to go to the Feel. And instead of choosing one of the pre-made colors, I want to click on Custom. Now, do you see here, it already has a hex code there. So I'm just going to backspace over that, leave the hashtag, and then Command V, paste in that hex code. So now I have the color I need. I'm going to hit OK. And now the color of my name matches the East branding colors. I'm going to show you one more time. This time I am going to change the border around my name to that dark gray. So also I want my border a little thicker. So I'm going to change my border to a 3-pixel border. It's pretty thick. Here you want to go into the pencil and hit custom again. Notice how as I'm adding these colors, it is saving them here, which is really nice. You won't have to go in and put each hex code in. So right now it's 00000. I need the hex code for the cool gray. So I'm going to copy, Command C, go back into my name badge, highlight over that, and then just paste in that cool gray. Okay, now it's starting to look like an East name badge. Something else you may want to do is insert images, and so I will be sharing the East logo. You can download that from the East website, or if you want to insert the East at Nettleton STEAM logo, you can find that on Google Classroom and insert that from there if you'd like to do that. One other thing I want to show you on colors is the background. If you don't know how to change the background, you open up your menu, go to background, and you can do solid backgrounds. You can do gradients. So, and again, you can just click those custom and put in the East colors if you want to change your background. The background with the gray and the white checks, that means it is transparent. So if you have any questions, just let me know.